So today we're making shrimp and rice. So let's get our ingredients together. For our Cajun shrimp and rice skillet, you're going to need the following: long grain rice, chicken broth, shrimp, butter, minced garlic, paprika, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is get our seasoning blend together, our Cajun seasoning. So to a bowl we're going to add some salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, some Italian seasoning, some paprika, okay, down it out, some cayenne, and then what I've done is my red pepper flakes, I run them through a mortar and pestle to break them up a little bit finer. So then we're going to give this a good mix. There we go. So let me set this to the side. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so we've got us a large bowl, and we've got half our melted butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our shrimp to this bowl, and we're going to take roughly half of our seasoning blend and sprinkle it over our shrimp. I'm going to set that to the side, and then we got half of our butter, and we're going to pour that over the shrimp, and then we're going to give this a good toss. And I tend to let my shrimp get a little bit close to room temperature, so that way the melted butter doesn't refreeze, or I'm sorry, re-solidify. So we're going to set this to the side and let this marinate for a bit, and we're going to move on to getting our rice ready. Alright, so we've got the other half of our butter melted in a skillet. To this we're going to add in our Cajun seasoning, our garlic, quick stir, and our rice. That all mixed good. Alright, so that looks pretty good. So now we are going to add in our chicken broth. And give that a stir. And now we're going to let this come up to a boil. Okay, so our rice has come up to a boil. So now we are going to cover this and reduce down to a simmer. And then we're going to let this go for 15 minutes. And then about halfway through, we're going to check on the rice and give it a stir. Alright, so this has been going about 7 minutes. So we're going to give this a good stir. And then we're going to place the lid back and let it go another 7 or 8 minutes. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to take our shrimp and we're going to spread this out over the rice. And then we're going to give this a good stir. Try and break them up a little bit. Alright, now we're going to cover this and let this go for about 5-10 minutes or so till the shrimp are pink and opaque. Alright, so I'll let this go about 7 minutes and all the shrimp looks nice. Whoops, and there we go, making a mess. So we're going to give this a good toss. Alright, so we're going to get over to the island and get this plated up. Alright, here we go, shrimp and rice. So we're going to give this a stir, and we're going to get us a bowl. Set that right there, and we're going to top this with a little bit of green onions for color. So I hope you enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.